In classification of vectors, we will see one more type of vector, that is position vector. As its name suggests, what is position vector? A position vector is a vector which represents the position of a particle in space or in plane at a given instant. It depends on the reference frame chosen. Suppose this is a XYZ coordinate system in which we have to represent the position of a particle. Here O is the origin of this coordinate system having coordinate equal to 0, 0, 0. Suppose P is a particle in the space having coordinate equal to x1, y1 and z1 with respect to this origin O. If we have to represent the position of this particle P with respect to O or in the reference frame of O, what is this? We will mark this line and write RPO. This RPO is what? This is position vector of particle P in reference frame O or with respect to O. What we will write for RPO? This is like this. RPO, this is position vector of P in the reference frame of O. We will write equation for this like this. x1 minus 0 I cap, y1 minus 0 j cap plus z1 minus 0 k cap. So position vector P with respect to O equal to what? x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap. Okay. Now see what I told you. Position vector depends on the reference frame selected. Suppose here if we change the reference frame from O to S, if we have to write equation of position vector in new reference frame S having coordinates equal to what? X dash, y dash and z dash. Suppose we have to write equation of position vector in this new reference frame S, we can write like this. This is RPS. RPS is what? This is position vector of particle P in the reference frame S. This is what? RPS can be written like this. x1 minus x dash I cap, y1 minus y dash j cap plus z1 minus z dash k cap. So you must have seen that if reference frame is changed, equation of position vector automatically gets changed.